Let us see the defects of eye. Defects of eye. We have three types of defects. So first one we are going to see the myopia. Myopia means it is nearsightedness. Myopic person can see the nearby object clearly or distinctly, but cannot see the faraway object. So the far point of normal person it will be infinity, but for myopic person it will be shifted. Far point is shifted, that will be represented as O. So when the object is at infinity, they are not able to see the object. Why? Because when the object is at infinity, the light will be focused just in front of the retina. So the image will be created in front of the retina. So the person is not able to see the far away objects. So they are able to see the nearby object. So the far point is shifted. So that means only the object in this limit, this green color part, the myopic person is able to see. This side they cannot see. So I am marking it as red. So the object is in this red area. The person is not able to see the object. So how can we correct this? Actually, the cause of myopia, it may be the excessive curvature of the eye lens. So eye lens curvature, it will be increasing. So excessive curvature of the eye lens or the elongation of eyeball. Eyeball, it will be elongated. Elongation of eyeball, it will be the cause of myopia or excessive excess curvature of the lens. Curvature of the lens cause the myopic defect. So how can you correct this? Means by using a concave lens. So concave lens is a diverging lens. Concave lens is a diverging lens. So whenever the object is at infinity, when we use the concave lens, it diverges the light. So light fall on the concave lens, it is getting diverted and then fall on the eye lens and again. So the lens is able to focus the light on the retina. So the image will be formed at retina. So the person is able to see the faraway object clearly by using a concave lens. The next defect is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia means it is far-sightedness. So the hypermetropic person can see the faraway object but cannot see the nearby object because the near point is shifted. So normal near point it will be 25 centimeter for this hypermetropic person. Hypermetropic person, the near point is shifted from the normal. So the person is not able to see things which is nearby. So this distance, whatever the object is in this area, red color area, the hypermetropic person is not able to see, but this side they can see because the near point is shifted from the normal. So whenever the object is nearby, the image it will be produced just behind the retina. Behind the retina, light will be focused just behind the retina. So the image also it will be formed behind the retina. So what are the causes of this hypermetropic person? Means the focal length of the eye lens it will be too long. The focal length of the eye lens it will be too long. So just it goes behind the retina. So that may be one reason. The another reason, the eyeball it will become too small. The eyeball it will become too small so that the image will be formed just behind the retina. Just behind the retina. These are the causes of hypermetropia. How can we correct this defect? Means by using a convex lens. So convex lens is a converging lens. So the object, nearby object, it can be able to form the image on the retina because when the light from the object, it will be fall on the corrective lens, convex lens, it will be converged. So it will be converged to the eye lens, and then the eye lens is able to focus the light on the retina. So the image will be formed on the retina when we use the convex lens. Convex lens is a converging lens, it is a corrective lens. So by using this lens, hypermetropic person is able to see the nearby object clearly because the image will be formed onto the retina. We have another defect, it is presbyopia. So presbyopia means the power of accommodation of the eye, it is decreases. So power of accommodation, it decreases due to aging. So that causes presbyopia. So they are not able to see the nearby object. So cannot see the nearby object. So this problem arises due to age. Actually, the ciliary muscles weakens whenever there is a ciliary muscle due to age. Ciliary muscles, it will lose its capacity, so it weakens, or the flexibility of the eye lens. So eye lens is not able to adjust itself. So the flexibility of the eye lens, it will be affected. So that case there will be presbyopia. So this defect can be corrected by using a concave lens. So concave lens is a corrective lens, it is diverging lens. But some cases, some persons, they are they are getting both myopia and also the hypermetropia. Person cannot see the faraway object and also cannot see the nearby objects. So they are affected by myopia and hypermetropia. So in that case, they are using a lens, both the lens, concave lens at the top and convex lens at the bottom. So it is bifocal lens. So by using a bifocal lens, they are able to correct this both the defect, myopia and hypermetropia. So the concave lens is able to correct the farsightedness, and the hypermetropia is can be corrected by using a convex lens. So this lens is bifocal lens. This is concave, this is convex. If the lens, if the lens become cloudy, milky or cloudy, lens will become milky or cloudy, that is called cataract. That condition is cataract. So we can do the surgery and remove that cataract, and it can be corrected by the surgery. They are able to restore the vision through the surgery. So these are the defects of eyes.